banger. I promise I'm not a crazy person just running around yelling bangers for no reason. Bangers are a real thing and something I'm super excited about and hope you guys are too. So you're probably asking yourself, what are bangers? These are business tutorials on specific topics for you to bang out. Learn something new, input it into your business right now, and attract and book more clients today. But why bangers? Well, I was thinking like tattoo bangers, you know, little sticker type banger tattoos that you can get done in an hour, like a flash sheet kind of thing. It's a little bit of a pun because we are in the cosmetic tattoo industry. So it came to mind and I figured I'd run with it. I also love that Miley Cyrus song, SMS Bangers, and figured it'd be an awesome theme song for new business tutorials. So basically, BSchool's business banger tutorials are a new and easy way for you to grow your business, to attract more clients, to book more clients. An easy way for you to quickly learn something super specific, not only topic-wise, but industry-wise, to our industry, to cosmetic tattoo, to beauty, to brows, and input it right away into your business to get momentum today. As amazing as online courses can be, and don't worry, we will still have online courses, full intensive online courses in BSchool, but as amazing as they can be, we don't always have the time and we don't always have the cash or want to spend the cash to do a full, intense, long online course. So even though you want to grow your business, of course you do, that's why you're here, that's why you're already listening to this video, you may not want to put in the time investment for a full online course. You may not want to put the cash investment in for a full online course, but you still want information to grow your businesses, and that is literally what bangers are here for. A quick way to learn something super informative and new to put in place in your business right away. And the great thing, probably the best thing about them, is they come with actionable tasks. So learning something without putting it into action gets you nowhere. Having the knowledge, not using that knowledge, is not going to get you ahead. So at the end of each banger, you are going to get multiple actionable tasks for a way to use what you learned in this course to put in your business to have it start working for you right away. So go check out bangers now. There are 6 available currently. I am going to be constantly adding more as I get through them, as I make more videos, as I create the downloads for them. I'm going to be throwing them up. I'm not going to be holding off for launch. I want you guys to be able to access this information, these business banger tutorials, whenever you feel you are ready to start growing your business. Whether that's a Monday at 9 a.m. or it's Saturday night at 3 a.m., I want you to be able to get this information and put it in place to grow your business right away. So go check out the bangers right now. Choose the one that best fits what your needs are in your business right now. Or you can buy 5 of them for the price of 4. Just add them all to your cart and use code BANGERS and you will get basically 1 for free. Now let's grow your business.